everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now when it comes on to taking care of your skin, there are a few basic things that you need to use on the skin. Basic in terms of facial toner, facial serum, and facial moisturizer, and also facial oil. Now the first thing that you apply on your skin after you cleanse your skin is a facial toner. Now there are many different types of toner you can find on the market, or you can choose to make one yourself. One of the most popular facial toner that you can use is a rose facial toner. So today I'm going to share an homemade rose facial toner with you. Very simple recipe. I'm just going to show you how to make it so you can have your own toner to use on your skin. Facial toner helps to balance the pH level of the skin. It keeps the skin hydrated, and it also lays the foundation for your serum and moisturizer and also your oils to work better on the skin. So let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up really quick, and at the end I'll show you how to use it on your skin for best result. The first thing you're gonna need is some rose petal. Whether it's gonna be dry or fresh rose petal, that is what you are gonna need. Now what I'm gonna do with this rose petal, we are gonna be brewing it just like you brew some green tea. So let's reach for a small pot, and we are using about a half a cup. You don't need to make a lot since you got to use it up within 7 days of the rose petal. Once this is done, you're gonna reach for some hot water. Make sure it's to boiling point, and you're gonna pour about a cup of water on the rose petal. Pour this in. Now if you don't want to use hot water, you can put it on the stove top and wait until it comes to a boiling point, or boil the water and pour it on. And then you're just gonna stir this in. Make sure the petals are saturated, and you can see the color is being released right away. Very hot. Now what I like to do with this, I like to cover this and set it aside for overnight. It's gonna brew, and it also is gonna cool down and ferment a little bit for about 24 hours, and after that is done, then this is ready to strain off. So I'm going to cover mine, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after about 24 hours. Now I am back, and take a look. This is what our brewed rose petals look like after 24 hours. And what we're going to do next, we are going to strain. So reach for your jar and let's strain. Make sure to get everything out. Now once you strain, you're going to toss this. No need to use this for anything since you take out all of the vital properties out of it. After straining, we're going to add one more ingredient to this. Take a look. Here we have some vegetable glycerine, and we're using the vegetable glycerine as an hydrator but also as a preservative. Perfect to use in your DIY. And we are pouring about a tablespoon of the vegetable glycerine. And we're just going to mix this in. And we're just going to mix this in. And this is it. Here you have your quick and easy, natural, homemade rose water. Now next, we're going to pour this in some storage jar. And here I have my little funnel. So just put it over our bottle. And let's pour. Second bottle. Take a look at this. Let's cover this. And here we have our rose water, natural homemade rose water. Now store this in your refrigerator. You can use it up within 7 to 10 days. However, the honest truth is it can go much longer once you use the vegetable glycerine. Use it on your skin as a facial toner. Wash your face, pat dry, spritz it on your skin, let it dry on the skin, and then apply your serum and your moisturizer. Now please do not use those roses that you get in your bouquet, but if you have a rose garden or a rose plant in your yard, you definitely can use those petals to make this rose water. So dry the... Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Or use them fresh, it really doesn't matter. It definitely have a nice fragrance and it get the job done. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make a rose facial toner. Now there are other things that you can add to this toner. You can also choose to brew a bag of green tea when you are brewing the rose petal to fight wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So use it as is or add some green tea. Now if this is the first time watching, please subscribe to the channel. Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, if you want to get a notification as soon as I post the video, click on the little bell beside the word subscribe. Turn on post notification in your phone from YouTube and you will get the notification as soon as I upload a video. We also have a Sunday show, Sunday Chit Chat, every Sunday 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join us for our live show, and we also have some weekdays live. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all.